What if I told you that in 2026, you don't need to be a coder, a genius, or rich to build an AI business? In fact, some of the most profitable AI businesses over the next few years will be run by beginners, people who simply know how to package AI, not build it. AI is no longer the product, AI is the engine, and businesses are the vehicle. So in this video, I'll break down 5 of the best AI business ideas for beginners in 2026. Ideas you can start with low cost, minimal technical skills, and massive demand. Let's jump in. Idea number 1, AI automation agency for small businesses. This is hands down one of the biggest opportunities of 2026. Small businesses are overwhelmed. Emails, bookings, customer support, follow-ups, all repetitive, all time-consuming. Your job? Automate their chaos using AI. You use tools like AI.
Hi, this is AI Jackbot. Let's try the text tool.
Automated email follow-ups, appointment scheduling bots, CRM automations. You're not selling AI. You're selling time, efficiency, and more revenue. How you make money. Monthly retainers, $500 to $3,000 per client. Setup fees for automation systems. Why this works in 2026. Most small business owners know AI exists, but they have no idea how to implement it. You become the bridge. Idea number 2, niche AI content studio. Here's where beginners win big.
Yes, one big!
Content creator, you create AI-generated content for one niche. Examples: AI Reels for real estate agents, AI short-form videos for coaches, AI product descriptions for e-commerce, AI LinkedIn posts for consultants. You use AI tools to generate, edit, and schedule content at scale. How you make money. Monthly content packages, subscription-based services. Why this explodes in 2026. Every brand needs content. Most hate creating it. And AI lets one person do the work of 10. Quick reality check. By 2026, people who know how to use AI will replace people who don't. Not because they're smarter, but because they're faster. And the next idea proves that you don't even need clients to win. Idea number 3, AI-powered micro SaaS. This sounds intimidating, but it's not. A micro SaaS is a small, focused software that solves one specific problem using AI. Examples: Resume Optimizer for job seekers, AI Proposal Writer for freelancers, Contract Summarizer for small law firms, AI Financial Report Explainer for investors. You don't build from scratch, you use no-code tools, API-based AI models, simple dashboards, how you make money, monthly subscriptions, $10 to $50, lifetime deals, freemium upgrades. Why this works? People don't want complex software. They want simple tools that save time. Idea number 4, AI consultant for non-tech professionals. This one is massively underrated. Doctors, lawyers, accountants, coaches, realtors. They don't want to learn AI. They want someone to tell them exactly what to use. You position yourself as an AI productivity consultant, which tools to use, how to integrate them into daily work, how to save hours per week. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to stay one step ahead. How you make money. Hourly consulting, workshops, ongoing advisory retainers. Why this works in 2026, AI is moving too fast. Most professionals are overwhelmed, you simplify the chaos. Idea number 5, AI education brand. This is where finance, tech, and leverage meet. You build an AI education brand around YouTube, newsletters, courses, paid communities. Your niche could be AI for beginners, AI for finance, AI for students, AI for entrepreneurs. You document what you're learning, you teach as you grow, how you make money, digital products, sponsorships, affiliate tools, memberships. Why this is powerful: education scales, trust compounds, and AI is not slowing down. Here's the truth. In 2026, the biggest mistake is waiting. You don't need perfection, you need momentum. Pick one idea, Learn one AI tool, solve one problem. Because the people winning with AI aren't the smartest, they're the ones who started early. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment AI if you want a follow-up video breaking down step-by-step how to start one of these.